He'll walk up here.
Yeah, when he gets tired, he don't want to release the ball.
Trying to get the action shot. Oh, Chico, Chico, come here.
Sit. Down. Leave it. Let go. Up. Touch. Is it pretty? Nope. Touch. Sit. Nope. Where you going? Come here. Sit. Touch. This is Sam. He's got a wild personality. He reminds me of a child. Just like they need a nurture and love, they need a good direction. But he's one of the best friends I could ever have. You can tell this dog anything, and he's there to listen. Sam, touch. Come here, boy. Sam's personality really makes him wonderful, and then he's a quick learner. I think he's a lab, part lab, and he learns quick. He's a very intelligent dog. Very, very playful, and he keeps you in a positive mood. This is Team Sam right here.
Sit. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy.
He's always eager to do tricks.
I don't know if Sam's tried one of these yet. Sam, you want to try Big Daddy Biscuit?
Oh wow, he's gonna go crazy.
Go on, Sam.
Touch.
Sam.
Sam. What would you do for a Big Daddy biscuit? Come here. Sit. No. Sit. Good boy, you are hyped up. Down. Come here. Down. Good boy. He likes the agility course. He's very good at the agility course, even though he just got started. But the second time he tried it, he actually went up the ramp and down it. He likes to run and play with all the other dogs. This program helps the dogs. This program helps the inmates. This program really is it's a blessing for anybody that's got to do any kind of time. This is the best way to do some time because not only is it helping you teach you a life lesson for training your dogs for the future, it's also helping you save a wonderful friend's life if you take the program serious.
Touch. Good boy, touch. Good boy, touch. Good boy, son. Good boy.
I'm impressed. He's really smart.
He learned quick. Like his first day, he had like all the tricks in the bag, just the basic tricks.
Sit. Leave it.
Bam.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy.
Cool. Well, I appreciate you guys talking to me today.
Sit. Sit pretty. Dance. 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 Come on. Up. Dance. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Hello, my name is Mark, and this here is Kit Kat. She's just a wonderful little dog who loves to follow me around everywhere. She does all sorts of fun tricks, and she loves to play with other dogs. Kit Kat likes the ball, and Kit Kat has a toy squirrel, a little squeaker in it, and she loves to torment that poor little squirrel. And let's see, Kit Kat.
Is she affectionate?
Kit Kat's extremely affectionate. She loves to give kisses, and she likes to be really close to me, especially close. She'll lay right up with you anywhere you lay down. She's energetic for the most part, but she also likes to relax. She's a little bit older, so she doesn't have very much puppy left in her, but she still is playful. Very well housebroken. I've never had an accident with her. She always lets me know when she wants to go outside. She just look at the door and look at me, look at the door and look at me, and then we go outside. She's a really loving dog. She's a real people pleaser. She'll do all sorts of tricks. Very obedient. Hi, Kit Kat. Down, down, relax, relax. Oh, good girl, good girl. The jail dog program means to me, gives the opportunity for these little guys and gals to have an opportunity to find a good home. They might come in just a little distraught. Some of them are injured and scared. And in this program, they get an opportunity to meet other dogs, get used to being around different people, an opportunity for them to have a second chance where maybe the home environment they were in wasn't the best, or they didn't have one. Maybe they just were on the streets. Here we spoil them, we love them, we teach them, we train them. I think this program is an excellent opportunity for inmates and dogs alike. The way this program helped me was gave me an opportunity to not just sit around and think about what was going on with me, gave me an opportunity to give back something to another creature, to help something else besides myself, to really feel a sense of accomplishment. Because they tell you, they thank you every day. They are most loving, and you do not go unrewarded. Everything you do for them, they give back tenfold. And this program's really good for me in that aspect.